Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix feeds not updating or showing old articles and Feedly. So if your Feedly feeds are not updating, or as I told you showing old articles, sometimes it's usually a sync, cache or feed specific issue. So guys, at first you will need to refresh the feed manually. So if you're using the app just like me, go ahead and pull down inside the feed to refresh. Okay, so just like that. Okay, so let's say I'm going to a specific feed just like that, but it's only the old, or it's an old article I already read and I want the new one. So just go ahead and refresh. Okay, and sometimes feeds just need a manual refresh to show new content, as you can see. And also guys, you will need to check your internet connection. So why not just go ahead and switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data and make sure the connection is stable. So the weak connections can prevent Feedly from fetching updates. Okay, and confirm the feed is active. So some feeds may have stopped publishing new articles, so just open the feed URL in a browser, for example, and check if new posts exist. So if no new posts on the site, Feedly can't update it. Also guys, you can go with the three dots that you can see at the top right of a screen, tap it, and then scroll a little bit and go with sort by most popular or popular plus latest. Okay, so if you're on oldest, just change it to the, as I told you, to the first and second option on the sort by section. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.